Either. I don't get. Apparently, I don't
Go,
get.
no.
Good shot.
Good shot. Good shot. That's right.
Good idea.
Good shot. No.
Push it through now.
Oh, good job, Jillian.
There you go, 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 Kaylin, go!
Oh, come on, Kaylin. Come on, Kaylin.
Yep, that's it.
Oh! Good ball. Go, 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 go!
You want to hit it, Chase?
Oh, take it. Take it. Take it.
Oh, that's a good ball.
Somebody take a shot.
There it goes. Yo!
Oh no!
Send it back.
Yeah, in the air.
Go.
Wow.
Go.
Yeah!
Oh. I told you it was a goal. Ball's covered in.
Is that a
No,
goal?
no goal kick. Did it go?
It did.
Okay, now let's
There it is. Send it.
Oh, come on, Jillian.
No,
yes,
no.
we're slowing,
Maybe.
slowing.
No, you can send it back.
get there. And again, and again.
Oh, good ball.
It's a
Good jazz.
Oh.
Oh, good job, Jillian.
Good
Come on, Jillian. Way to beat that Jazz.
I know.
Get it back there.
Nice. Good ball,
Go
Dad.
through, go through.
Hit it.
Get it, Chase.
Oh, man. Sometimes you just need to hit it.
Oh, that's a
great
good ball.
ball.
It's a great ball. Oh! Well done!
Good job.
Well done. It must be this time.
That's it. Woo!
Yes!
Good job, girls. Good job. Good job.
Come on, Robin, you girls up again.
That was good.
Yes!
Oh, just after setting up the girl. Go. Well done, Julian.
Pressure the middle. Good job. Good job. Stay right there. He's good. Here's that short ball. Give it to him.
And go.
Good.
Great ball.
Good ball.
Oh, so close.
Take it.
That's it.
Good shot.
No.
Oh, good try.
Way to use your head.
Good
Come on,
ball.
Jazz. Go, Jazzy.
That's
Yep.
it.
Yes. Good job, girls. Good job. Good job, sweetie. Good job.
Good job.
Win it. Top.
That's a good ball.
Good job.
1v1. It's you. It's you, girl.
Who's up there with her?
Oh!
TK. Out of the way.
That's it.
Yeah. Wow. You see ball.
Good job, girls. Good job.
God, these players aren't as tall as men.
Well, the team yesterday had some tall players.
They went right over their head.
But you know,
Good ball. That's a goal. Oh,
Yes.
Oh,
Good job. Good job.
Hat trick. Get a hat trick. I love hat tricks. Did she get one?
Yeah.
She's gotten 2 goals.
Her and Jasmine both can get one today. So it's 4-0.
Good job, Laura.
Piece of the bone off of the bone away.
Hold on.
She had a bone fragment or something.
Mm-hmm. I forgot about that.
Hold on.
Good job, Elena.
5 feet.
All right, wait.
Good job.
Come on, Deborah. Come on. Oh.
work it around the clock. Come back the other way. Come back to Jackie. Come back to Jackie.
Oh, there.
Work it around the clock. Work the clock.
Nice.
Get up there, Elena. Get up there, Elena.